So hello guys, I am starting a new series on C++ programming language for beginners, and in this series we will cover all concepts from basics to advanced. This is the first lecture, and in this lecture we will learn what is C++, why we need C++. So let's start. So what is C++? C++ is a general purpose programming language which is the extension of C language. C++ is an object-oriented programming language that is used extensively. C++ language was developed from the C language, and C language was invented by this scientist of Bell Labs in 1972. It was not designed for beginners at first, but for computer professionals. C is a process-oriented language, and with the scale of software increase, C was no longer suitable for the needs of the computer development. So as the software scale is increasing, C is not able to handle that large software. So it could not handle the complex and large tasks. In this software crisis situation, C++ language came into being, and it was developed by this scientist of AT&T Bell Labs in 1980. So what is the main features of the C++ programming language? And it is compatible with both advanced and primary language. Excellent portability, simple and easy to use, supported for object-oriented programming, can handle large and complicated programs, and fast-paced compilation and development. So these are the some features of this language. So hope you will learn what is C++ and why we need this. So to handle large software programs, we need C++, and it is easy to use. So that's why we use this language. So hope you like the video. If you like, please share and subscribe. We will meet in next video.